Well, in a first-of-its-kind drive being held to contain the spread of COVID-19, in Telangana, the government has been holding India's biggest-ever vaccination drive. The drive in Hyderabad aims to vaccinate 40,000 people in a day. Uma Sudhir tries to bring you the size and scale of this incredible exercise.
We are here at High-Tech's exhibition grounds in Hyderabad, where in fact huge numbers have gotten for the Hyderabad's biggest vaccination drive. More than 40,000 people expected to be vaccinated within the day. In fact, till late in the evening is when this is being open. I have with me the executive director of Medicava Hospitals, who is in fact partnering with Cyberabad Police and with all the IT firms, in a sense, an umbrella organization to cover all the corporates. These huge numbers, the first question that will be asked of you are you creating a super spreader?
Yeah, so that was in fact the first question which came into our mind, and then we took lots and lots of preparation went in. Lots of COVID safety protocols have been taken up. If you can actually see the outside, the traffic jam, and the inside it's like a festival. People are following distance, number one. And
this is in fact the pre-vaccination waiting area.
Yes. And the time which is taken for vaccination for a person from this place to come out is just 60 seconds. So, and then they come out, they go in and they go out, and it takes about 60 seconds. Yeah, please. So we can do a kind of a demo from here. And so we have developed an application where they can do a pre-registration, COVID registration. They get a vaccination pass, like a boarding pass. And then they come here and then they code like this. If you can see, it is just taking a 2 seconds for a QR code.
That QR code is being
just
scanned here.
That's all. So no Aadhaar card, everything is pre-booked and pre-registered.
Okay, walk in from here.
Yeah, and then they have to come and respectively they have to move towards their own galleries. See, if you see, this is how they have to walk in and to their galleries, and then they go to the respective site, get vaccinated and get out from this room. So it is taking about, usually it is taking 40 to 60 seconds if somebody is able to walk fast, because here if you see, it's all empty.
Okay.
But if you see
those are the vaccination counters that we are talking about.
Yes.
And this is in fact in case they need to wait here.
Wait here, they can wait here.
But they are not having to wait here.
They are not having to wait. So that's how the whole technology which we bought in to get this vaccination drive is helping us to do this kind of activity.
What is the kind of numbers we are looking at? I know you had announced 50,000 and you are now actually reducing the numbers because you are worried about the traffic jams outside.
Yes. So far people who have registered are 34,000 and we have vaccinated 20,000 as of now in last from between 7:30 to now. So we are trying to hopeful that once we clear this crowd, maybe in the evening we can restart.